Hi guys, welcome to the fourth lecture. Car insurance for teens: how to get the best of rates. Getting the insurance at teens can be sensitive, expensive, but they are always insurance the best rates needs a break it down into simple step-by-step help you navigate the process and save money. Drives education complicative drives education courses shows insurance companies what you are committed to save driving many your insurance discounts for teens who have successfully completed such courses. Good gods meter. Many times a good gods is a social also a leads a lower premiums. Insurance provide often discounted for this student with a how make honors arose odd to family places instead for getting us places are considered adding the teen providers to the family insurance policy family plans usually offer better rates than individual policy for you drives choose the right car the type of car you choose significant impact insurance rate output for a safe or a reliability vehicle will good great test rating sports cars high performance vehicle often comes higher premium increase documents achieving a higher determines you will pay more out of pocket in the case of claims but can lower your monthly premium. Discusses with your family what amount makes sense for your station. Drive a safety manufacturing a clean driving record socials encourage a safe driving comprehensive the importance of avoiding accidents and traffic violations uses the best insurance same insurance the user a horror tell me user the best insurance involves the strengthening device in the car diameters driving habits. I use based insurance same insurance of the elements I used base insurance this involves installing a device the role of the car driving habits the shape of the driving the can be leads the discounted shop around do not saddle for the fast a kit you are receive the shop and around the comprehensive can under the different insurance provider a company has each written has determined premiums bundle previous do not the settle of the quit the receive the shop of around a camp rate from different insurance provide age a company has it has one determining premiums bundle policy if you have family multiple insurance needs